In this video, I will show you how to add a clickable YouTube channel link to your TikTok bio on your phone. When you are on TikTok, go to your profile page. Then tap on the three-dash icon on the top right, then select the settings icon. From here, choose the Account tab. Next, tap on Switch to Business Account. Now just keep on tapping next until you come to the category page. I will scroll all the way down and choose Others and tap on Next. I will skip both adding email and filling in my bio. Once you see this page, you are pretty much done. You can close this page by tapping on the cross button. On your profile page, tap on Edit and select the Links tab. You will now see an additional website link option. Tap on that. Now go to Chrome or YouTube app. I will go to my YouTube app and channel. From there, tap on the three-dot icon. Then choose Share. I will then select Copy Link. Go back to TikTok and paste it in here. Select Save. If you go back to your profile page, you can see that the YouTube link is clickable. That's it. Thanks for watching.